Hi there. I hope you enjoyed my students' demo of Wheels Going Round. It is from the Piano Adventures series, the primer book, by Nancy and Randall Faber. It's specifically from the Technique and Artistry primer book. So it says right off the bat that a pianist with artistry does not hesitate at the bar line. So this is definitely a study in getting students to do that. And it's a common challenge in 3/4 time because we usually start with 4/4 time, common time. So a lot of beginners will start by holding that third beat a little too long, essentially making it 4/4. So when it should be like so. Another challenge with this piece, as you can hear in the first line alone, is dynamic contrast. So students are challenged to play around with forte and then switch to piano and then mezzo forte and switch to forte. So that's quite a challenge trying to make a big enough difference between those two levels. I mean, forte and piano, fairly easy. And that's basically it. And it is literally from the unit about skips. So that's another thing about this work. If you have been working through the Piano Adventures series, share some of your thoughts down below, what you like about the series. What's your favorite part? What's your least favorite part? And if this is your first time on the channel, check out some of the other playlists. I'll just stick a few cards up above there. Exploring some of the other series, so the other beginner series books, the RCM books, Conservatory Canada, and some of the supplemental. Head over to our Ko-fi page, check out what's new in the Ko-fi shop and our commissions page there. And if you'd like to send us a bit more support there too, your help with that is greatly appreciated. And yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that also helps the channel. And thank you for your help with that. That's it until next time, so take care and catch you in the next video. Bye!